Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to add Instagram profile link in your WhatsApp profile. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to add your Instagram profile link on your WhatsApp, then I will show you simple method how to do this. First of all, you have to open your WhatsApp. Just tap on this three dot in top right side corner, then tap on the settings. Then tap on your profile name. In last option you can see links. Under links you will find add link option, tap on that. Here you will find Instagram, tap on the Instagram. Here you need to type your username. For example, I have written my username, then I will save it. So whenever if someone search for your username or search your profile on your WhatsApp, then they will open your profile on WhatsApp, then they will find your Instagram profile or Instagram link on your profile, then they will find your Instagram profile on your WhatsApp profile, then they will find your Instagram link on your WhatsApp profile. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.